Hi everybody, it's Neil and I am going skiing next month, so I picked up some ski goggles. So we're gonna check these things out. It was like a 5-pack of them for pretty inexpensive. So let's see how they look. This is how it comes in this bag here. Clearly made in China, but whatever, let's see how they look. And it's 5 of these suckers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And not sure why I need 5, but let's see how comfortable they are. So this is what it looks like here. You can see it's got a decently dark goggle front. They're not super thick and cumbersome like some of the other goggles are. You can see on the rubber, it's got a little bit of imprints from being up next to the other ones, but let's see how they feel. Ooh, see how they feel? Seems like it's got a pretty decent fit. It's not right now. I've got a hole over there, so let me try to make it a little smaller. And there we go. So this is what goggles look like. So this is my ski goggles. I'll probably have a whole full mask and everything else. But actually, these are pretty good. Super comfortable. I think I could wear these things all day. Hopefully they wouldn't fog up or anything like that. I don't know if there's any difference between the different ones I got. I think they are different colors, slightly different colors maybe on the glass there. Let me see. I don't know. They all look the same looking through them from this side. So I'm gonna say they're probably all the same. I don't know, maybe not. Well, whatever it is, I'm gonna put a link to these in my description so you guys can pick some up for yourselves. They were inexpensive and you get 5 of them, so take them all on the trip. They pack up nice and small. If for some reason something goes wrong with one, you just toss it and use another. So I like it. Thumbs up from me. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.